A leader may be able to organize a harmony of minds for a while, but typically that harmony will diminish when the leader is removed from the situation. This is because everybody's mind is different, and the likelihood of these minds thinking differently is high. So a leader can get them to think together for a while, but how does a great leader get people to think in harmony again and again? They recharge the batteries. Try to think of the human brain as a battery. This shouldn't be hard with all that we have discussed about atoms and the movement of electronic signals. The human brain can become exhausted or run down, causing the owner to feel discouraged and lacking in pep. Everyone has experienced this feeling before. The mind needs to be recharged when it is in this condition. The best way to recharge the brain's battery is to bring it into contact with a more vital mind or minds. Contact with vitalized minds will effectively recharge the mind, as the run-down individual will pick up some pep from the other minds. Another term to describe this is to give a pep talk to someone. By creating a harmony of minds, vitalized minds will connect with run-down minds and effectively recharge their batteries. This is how a great leader brings people together over and over again. They recognize the need to organize people in order to create a harmonious mindset, and they bring vitalized minds together with less vital minds to help recharge the person's mind. The result is the ability to create teamwork over and over again. Another point to consider is the scientific evidence that connects the human mind with the human body. We all understand how stress, fear, lack of sleep, and exhaustion can affect the body mentally and physically. We also understand how happiness, exercise, and a proper diet can make the person feel physically and mentally better. The mind is directly connected to the physical aspects of the body. This means to remain healthy, you need to create a harmony of all the things that you require to live. This is a delicate balancing act of nutrition, exercise, sleep, work, play, family, friends, and love. The healthy mind can be used to heal ailments and problems with the body. This concept can also be used in the principle of the mastermind. Through the aid of a harmonious blend of minds, there is the ability to solve any problems they face. This principle could be applied to you as an individual or a group of people. The harmonious blending of minds can perform extreme feats. This can also be seen in the development of new ideas. When two or more people harmonize their minds and produce the effect known as the mastermind, each person in the group becomes vested with the power to gather ideas from the others. Each person in the group becomes vested with the power to gather ideas from the others. Their minds become revved up by the enthusiasm of the others, much like a battery recharges, and stimulates each person's mind. Think of it as connecting a single wire to many batteries. This single wire will have a dramatic increase in the power that flows through it. This stepping up of power will flow through the entire wire, increasing the power to all of the devices which it is connected to. The same can be said for a gathering of harmonious minds. When a group of minds are in this state, they have an incredible ability to solve problems or create new ideas. Whenever a group of minds are brought into contact in a spirit of perfect harmony, each mind in the group becomes immediately supplemented and reinforced by a noticeable energy we call the mastermind. This can be extremely useful for people in all walks of life. Barack Obama, an example of a successful leader. Wherever you find an outstanding success in any field, you'll find a person behind it who has mastered mind chemistry. These successes often appear to be the handiwork of just one person. Look closer and you will discover that it is really the coordinated efforts of many people. The successful people behind it all used the mastermind principle to organize the knowledge and cooperation of all of the people involved. Remember that two or more people can work together to create a mastermind effect. No effort can be truly said to be organized unless the individuals involved coordinate their knowledge and work together in harmony. The lack of this cooperation of harmonious effort is the main cause of practically every failure in life. Barack Obama is the current President of the United States of America and one of the most powerful people in the world. While he is intelligent and educated, his best attribute as a leader is his ability to harmonize the minds of the people working around him. Whether or not you agree with his political stance, there is no doubt that his ability to recognize, organize, and develop a harmonious mindset among his followers has resulted in success during his rise to the presidency. During the early stages of Mr. Obama's candidacy for president, his magnetic personality was one of the first things that drew people towards him. But it was his ability to organize the people around him to work together to gain support for his party that won him the election. Mr. Obama's power comes not from his law degree, formal education, or even his past duty as a senator, but instead it comes from his fantastic ability to organize the extent of all of his knowledge.